Hi, welcome to Nepal Digital Education. Today in this video series we are going to start our first exercise of trigonometry. Let us look at the problem first. Without using table or calculator, find the value of. So in this problem we have to find the value of trigonometrical ratio. And in previous video we discussed about the trigonometrical ratio. There are six trigonometrical ratio, that is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. And we also study about the value of this trigonometrical ratio, and here without using table or calculator we have to find the value. So let us look at the problem first. In 1a, we have to find the value of sine 75. In 1a, we have sine 75 degree. So first step is, first of all we have to break this 75. We can also write 45 plus 30, means the sum of 45 and 30 is 75. So this term is in the form of sine a plus b. So we have formula sine a plus b. Sine a plus b means sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. This is the formula. So we have sine a plus b. So sine a means 45, then cos b, the value of b is 30 degree, then plus cos a means 45, sine b means 30 degree. So put the value of sine 45. Sine 45, the value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30, the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. And cos 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 30, 1 by 2. So when we multiply 1 into root 3, we get root 3 by, when we multiply 2 into root 2, then it becomes 2 root 2 plus 1 into 1, 1, 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. After this step, we have to take the LCM of this and this. 2 root 2, 2 root 2. LCM is 2 root 2. And when we divide this 2 root 2 and 2 root 2, we get 1. So in this term, we multiply with 1. So in this term, when we divide 2 root 2 and 2 root 2, we get 1. So we multiply here 1. So after this step, root 3 into 1, root 3 plus 1 into 1, 1 by 2 root 2. This is the value of sine 75. Sine 75. Sine 7 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the value of sine 75. Let us look at the next problem. In B, cos 75. So in 1b, we have cos 75. So first step is just break this number 45 plus 30. So this 75 degree, this degree. So we have, so this step is in the term of cos A plus B. So we have formula cos A plus B. Cos A plus B means cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is the formula of cos A plus B. So here cos A plus B. So the formula of cos A plus B is cos A, value of A is 45, then cos B, the value of B is 30 minus sin A, the value of A is 45. Yes, here multiply sin B, the value of B is 30. So put the value of these all. So the value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2 multiply cos 30 root 3 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 1 by 2. So multiply it 1 into root 3 by 2 into root 3, 2 root 3, 1 into 1 by 2 into root 3, 2 root, 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. Here also 2 into 2 root 2, here 2. When we take LCM of this 2 root 2, then it become 2 root 2, then root 3. When we divide this term with this term, then we get 1, so multiply with 1 into, when we divide this term with this, then we get 1, so multiply here 1. So after this step we get the value of cos 75. So root 3 into 1, root 3 minus 1 into 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the value of cos 75 degree, that is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. In this way we can solve and get any type of the value. So with the help of this table and this formula we can solve any type of the problem related to question number first. So in 1C we have tan 75. So we have formula tan A plus B. So in first step we have to break this number, like we can also break 50 plus 25, but we don't have the value of 50 and 25. We have value of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So in first step we have to break the number in, just by taking this number we have to break this number. So we have 75, when we add 45 and 30 we get 75, and we have value 30 and 45. So we can easily solve and get the value of tan 75. So in place of 75 we can write here 45 plus 30. So it is in the term of tan A plus B, and we have formula tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So just by using this formula we can solve the value of tan 75. So tan A plus B, so tan A plus B formula is tan A, the value of A is 45, plus tan B, B means 30. 1 minus tan A. Tan A means 45. Tan B. Tan B means 30. So tan 45. The value of tan 45 is 1. Tan 30 1 by root 3. 1 minus tan 45 1. Tan 30 1 by root 3. So here we can write also 1, and first of all solve this term 1 and root 3. Take the LCM of this 1 and root 3, then we get root 3. When we take LCM of 1 and root 3, then it become root 3. So when we divide this term 1 with root 3, then we get root 3. So we multiply here in this term root 3 plus 1 into root 3. When we divide this root 3, then we get 1. So we multiply here with 1. Here we have 1 minus, when we multiply 1 with 1 by root 3, we get 1 by root 3. So yes, next step is 1 into root 3. 1 into root 3 means root 3 plus 1 into 1. 1 into 1 means 1 by root 3 by, here we can also write 1 and root 3. The LCM of 1 and root 3 is root 3. Root 3. So here root 3, and when we divide 1 with root 3, then we get root 3. So we multiply here root 3 minus 1 into, when we divide this root 3, then we get 1. So we multiply here 1. So root 3 plus 1 divide root 3 by 1 into root 3. Root 3 minus 1 into 1 by root 3. So next step is we have two terms, this term and this term. So first of all write the denominator root 3 plus 1 by root 3 and change this sign, division sign, into multiply. When we change this sign, then it become reciprocal. It change its value. Numerator become denominator and denominator become denominator. Like root 3 minus 1, and this root 3 cancel, and it become root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So after this step, just rationalize it. Write root 3 plus 1, here sign is minus. So while rationalizing, we just change the sign. Here root 3 minus 1, so we rationalize with just opposite of this sign. Here minus, so we have written plus root 3 plus 1. Here root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1. So this is in the term of a plus b and a plus b. When we have a plus b and a plus b, we can write what? A square, here a plus b whole square. So we can write here root 3 plus 1 whole square. So here in denominator we have a minus b, and in term of a plus b. If we have a plus b and a minus b, the formula of a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So put the value of a square. A square means root 3 square and b square means 1 square. Here a means root 3, and b means 1. So root 3 square minus 1 square. So this step is in the term of a plus b whole square, and we know that a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. So break this term in this formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the value of a is root 3 and b is 1. So a square plus 2ab plus b square by a square means root 3 square means 3, and this 1 square means 1. Root 3 square means root 3 into root 3. When we multiply the same number root 3, then it become 3. So root 3 square means 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 1 square means 1. 3 minus 1, it become 2. So next step is 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. So 4 and 2, we can take here common 2 and it become remaining here 2 2 are 4 plus this 2 cancel and remaining term is 3, and here 2 cancel and it becomes 2 plus root 3. So this is the value of 2 plus root 3. This is the value of tan 75. So in this way we can solve and get the value of tan 75. So tan 75 degree equal to 2 plus root 3. So in this way we can solve and get the value of tan 75. In 1D we have sine 15 and we have to find the value of sine 15. So in first step we have to break the number. Here we have 15, so we can break this number with the help of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, because we have the value of this number. So when we break this number with the help of this, so we can easily get the value. So when we subtract 45 minus 30, then we get 15. So in place of this, we have 15, so in place of 15 we can write 45 minus 30. So this term is in the form of sine a minus b. So we know that we have formula sine a minus b, and the formula of sine a minus b is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So we have sine a minus b. So sine a means 45, cos b means 30 minus cos a means 45 into sine b means 30. So next step is put the value. So in this step we have to put the value of sine 45, cos 30, cos 45, sine 30. So what is the value of sine 45? The value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30, the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. The value of cos 45, the value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 30 means 1 by 2. So after this step we have to multiply this term. 1 into root 3 will become root 3, 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 minus 1 into 1, 1 by 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. So after this step we have to take the LCM of this and this term. So it become 2 root 2. So when we divide this term and this term we get 1. So we multiply here 1. Here when we divide this and this term, then we get 1. So we multiply here with 1, and after this step root 3 into 1, it become root 3. It become root 3 minus 1 into 1, 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the required value of sine 15. So in this way we can solve the any trigonometrical ratio in this way. So the value of sine 15 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the required value of sine 15. 1e. In 1e we have to find the value of cos 15 degree. So we have 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. With the help of this number we can find the value of cos 15. So first step is we have to break this number. So when we subtract 45 minus 30, then we get 15. So in place of this 15 we can write 45 minus 30. So this step is in the form of cos A minus B. So we have formula cos A minus B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is the formula of cos A minus B. So we can use this formula here. Cos A minus B. Cos A minus B means cos A. The value of A is 45. Cos A. Cos B. B means 30 plus sin A sin B. Sin A means 45. Sin B means sin 30. So in this step we have to put the value of this trigonometrical ratio. So the value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. The value of cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. The value of sin 45 1 by root 2. And the value of sin 30 1 by 2. So it becomes, when we multiply this term, then it becomes root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So in this step we have to take the LCM of this. So its LCM becomes 2 root 2, and when we divide this and this term we get 1. So we multiply here 1 and 1 into, when we this term and divide with this term, then we get 1. So multiply here also with 1, and after this step if we multiply root 3 into 1, it becomes root 3 plus 1 into 1, 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the value of cos 15. So therefore cos 15 cos 15 degree equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Let us look at the next problem, problem F. In problem F, we have tan 15. Tan 15. In problem F, we have tan 15 degree and we have to find the value of tan 15. So, first step, we have to break this number. So, we can write here 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30 means 15. So, we have formula and this step is in the form of tan A minus B, and we have formula tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A dot tan B. So here this step is in the form of tan A minus B. So tan, it become tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A means 45, tan B means 30. So the value of tan 45 is 1, tan 30 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 45 1 tan 30 1 by root 3. So after this step we can write here 1 and root 3. The LCM of 1 and root 3 is root 3, and when we divide this 1 with one with this term, then it become root 3. So multiply here with root 3 1 into, when we divide this root 3 and root 3, it become 1. So we multiply here 1 plus, when we multiply 1 with this term, then it become 1 by root 3. So when we multiply 1 into root 3, it become root 3 minus 1 into 1 by root 3 by, here we can write here 1 and check here LCM 1 and root 3, it become root 3. So 1, when we divide 1 divide root 3, when we divide root 3 divide 1, then it come root 3. So multiply here with root 3 plus 1 into, when we divide this and this term, then we will get 1. So multiply here with 1. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 into root 3 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator, and when we first of all write the first term, numerator term, that is root 3 minus 1 by root 3, and after this step we have to change into this divide into multiplication, so it become reciprocal. When we change the sign, then it become reciprocal, then root 3 cancel and it become root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So after this step we have to rationalize this term. So here we have root 3 plus 1, so rationalize just when we change this sign, root 3 plus 1, so we rationalize with root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1, because while rationalizing we have here if this sign is negative, so we use here positive. If there is positive, then we use negative. While rationalizing, just we have to multiply the inverse of this term, then multiply this. We have this a minus b and a minus b. This is the form of a minus b and a minus b. If we have a minus b and a minus b, then we can write a minus b whole square. So root 3 minus, it becomes root 3 minus 1 whole square. By this is in the form of a plus b and a minus b. A plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square means root 3 square minus 2ab plus b square. Here root 3 square means 3 and 1 square means 1. Root 3 square means root 3 into root 3. When this root 3, when we multiply this, we get the value 3. Let us look at the next step. Here root 3 square means 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 square means 1 by 3 minus 1 2, 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. After this step, here 4 we can write 2 into 2. So in this term we can take 2 common and the remaining term is 2. Here in this term the remaining term is root 3 by 2. This 2 and 2 cancel and become 2 minus root 3. This is the required value of tan 15. Therefore the value of tan 15, the value of tan 15 equal to 2 minus root 3. In 1g we have sine 105 and we have to find the value of sine 105. Sine 105. We have to find the value of sine 105, and the first step is we have to break this number. So in place of 105 we can write 60 plus 45. When we add this number 60 plus 45, we get 105. So it is in the form of sine A plus sine A plus B. So we know that we have formula sine A plus B. Sine A plus B means sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So in this step we have sine A plus B. So sine A plus B means sine A. We have formula sine A. So sine A means 60. Then cos B. Cos B means 45 and plus cos A. Cos A means 60. Then sine B. Sine B means 45. So in this step put the value of sine 60, cos 45, cos 60, sine 45. So the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 45 1 by root 2 plus cos 60 1 by 2 sine 45 1 by root 2. Then this again in this step multiply this term root 3 into 1 root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2 root 2. So in this step we have this term and this term. Take LCM of this 2, then we get 2 root 2. Then here root 3 into 1 plus 1 into 1. We multiply here 1 into 1 with this term because we have LCM 2 root 2, and when we divide this and this term we get 1. So we multiply here 1, here in this term also 1. So next step is root 3 into 1 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the required value of sine 105, that is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 sine 105. Therefore sine 105 equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Let us look at the next problem. In problem number H we have cos 105. Cos 105. So cos 105. So first step is, first of all break this number 105. So in place of 105 we can write 60 plus 45. So we have this is in the term of cos A plus B. So we have formula cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos A plus B means cos A means 60 dot cos B means 45 minus sin A means 60 sin B means 45. So put the value of these all trigonometrical ratio. Sin 60, the value of the value of cos 60. The value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. The value of cos 45 1 by root 2. The value of sin 60 root 3 by 2. The value of sin 45 1 by root 2. So multiply this term 1 into 1 become 2 root 2 minus if you multiply this term then we get root 3 by 2 root 2. So next step is just take the LCM of this term 2 root 2 it becomes LCM of this 2 root 2, then 1 into 1 minus root 3 into 1. We multiply here 1 and here also 1 because both terms are same. When we divide this and this term then we get 1, so we multiply here with 1. So 1 into 1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. So this is the required value of cos 105. Therefore cos 105 degree equal to 1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. So this is the required value of cos 105. Let us look at the next problem. Problem number 1I. In 1I we have cos 195, and we have to find the value of cos 195 without using table and calculator. So let us look at the problem I. We have cos 195 degree. So we have one formula. If there is cos 180 plus theta, then we can write minus cos theta. So here cos, we can break this 195 into 180 plus 15. 180 plus 15, it gives 195. So it is in the form of cos 180 plus theta. So we have formula cos 180 plus theta means minus cos theta, and theta is 15. So here 15, and we know that the value of cos 15 because we solve here in problem number E, we solve and get the value of cos 15. So in this problem we can write here the value of cos 15 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. We can write here directly. Therefore this is the value of cos 195 degree, that is minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the value of cos 195. Let us look at the next problem. Problem number 1J. In 1J we have to find the value of sin 195. So in similar way, there is one formula in terms of sin, and is sin, if there is sin 180 plus theta, then it will be minus sin theta. With the help of this formula, we are going to solve our next problem, problem number J. So in problem number J, we have sin 195. So sin 195, we can break this 195 into 180 plus 15. So it is in the form of sin 180 plus theta. So we have minus sin theta, and the value of theta is 15. So right here in place of theta 15, and we know that the value of sin 15 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the value of sin 15, and we get this value in problem number D. In problem number D, we already solved the value of sin 15. So thanks for watching the video. In this way, we can solve any type of problem without using table or calculator. So thank you for watching the video.